Hello, and thank you for your purchase from Design Creative Guild. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can open and edit your files in Acrobat Reader, which is a free PDF editor available from adobe.com. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go to get.adobe.com/reader, and you will see here you can download the free version of Acrobat Reader. You would download that, install it, and then you can go ahead and open your files in and do any edits that you would need to make. You don't really need to concern yourself with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. That is for professionals and developers who create lots of PDF files. So what I'm going to show you need to do is we are going to go to Acrobat Reader, and what you would do is you would choose File, Open. You would choose your file. I'm going to show you, like, I downloaded the file to my computer. Most people will save it to their desktop. You will open your file. It's going to take a second. It's thinking about it. So your file will open, and you'll see here that all the blue file fields are editable. The graphics are not, but the text is. So you could come in here and you're going to edit for each individual scout. So let's say Katrina Delgado. And then we're going to choose a date. Let's say we choose August 16th of 2021. And let's say your troop number is 22459. And your leaders are, we'll say Judy Bloom and William Shakespeare, because yes, there can be male group leaders in Girl Scouts. So what you would do is then you would go ahead and you would choose File, Save As. I've gone ahead and created a folder called Girl Scouts. So in your Girl Scout folder, you would just come in here and name your certificate Katrina, and you would click Save. That's what I do. That's what I do when I'm doing a lot of certificates. However, if you want, instead of saving them, you can just edit, print, edit, print, edit, print, and go along. Do it that way. You would go File, Print, and what I like to choose is Landscape. You can do auto orientation, or you could tell it to do landscape. I print on 8.5 by 11 paper, or regular printer paper, or cardstock, or glossy. It looks great on everything. You would want to do actual size. And then, like I said, you can do auto orientation or landscape orientation. And then you would print your certificate, and there you go. You've got your first certificates for however many scouts that you need, and these are reusable for all of 2021 for any new scouts that you may possibly join your troop. I have all kinds of certificates, bridging certificates for all the levels, rededication certificates. So if there's anything you need that you don't see in my shop, please feel free to send me an email with that request or any questions you may have to designcreativeguild@gmail.com. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial, and have a wonderful bridging. Thank you so much, and have a great day.